to Texas, where Concrete Engine was born. Texas is a place where people build things. We don't just talk about innovation, we put it into factories, energy systems, logistics, and the real world. And that is exactly what physical AI is. When most people hear AI, they think cloud, software, generative tools. But AI becomes meaningful when it interacts with machines, sensors, and more importantly, with communities. Physical AI lives in manufacturing lines, industrial robotics, drone inspection lines, health devices, smart farms, and remote energy sites. It is intersection of intelligence and the physical environment. But there is a challenge. The physical world cannot wait for the cloud. A robotic arm cannot wait for 400 milliseconds for inference. A supply chain decision cannot wait while a model runs in a remote state. A drone cannot fly blind if the connection drops. Manufacturing, automation, and real deployments need local, sovereign, low latency compute. That is why Concrete Engine exists. We build modular GPU data centers, aka AI factories, that bring high performance computing to the edge on the factory floor, in warehouses, ports, agriculture sites, defense zones, where intelligence is generated and decisions are made. It is simple. Physical AI requires compute that lives where work happens. This meetup is all about that ecosystem. Builders, engineers, founders, researchers, manufacturing leaders, and investors. People who know how hard it is to run an idea into something that runs 24/7 and actually solves problems. So welcome to the Physical AI Meetup here in Texas. Thank you for being here, for contributing your expertise, and for building real solutions. Let's connect, let's partner, let's shape the future of manufacturing and AI right here in Texas.